Flights are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They're being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage if smoke is present. Please keep low and follow the pathways to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft operation. The device is placarded on the equipment itself. And as this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm, and tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.